Though I know I should be wary, still I venture someplace scary. Ghostly haunting, I turn loose. Beetlejuice! Beetlejuice! Beetlejuice!
It's showtime!
Hey guys, and happy Halloween! Today we will be transforming into Lydia Deetz from Beetlejuice. Let's go! So first things first, apply pale foundation all over your skin. I am using the Celebrate HD Pro Foundation in the color Light 1. Next, I am diving into the BH Cosmetics 88 palette and using a medium purple all over my eyes. You want this to go all the way to your eyebrows and also under your eyes as well. Use a flat brush to really pack on that color. Next, take a hot pink eyeshadow and apply it right onto your eyelid. Then go back to a dark purple to blend the edges of the eyeshadow for dimension. Now, apply thick liner to not only look more cartoon-like, but Lydia also wears this thick liner in the cartoon. Then apply spiky lashes to the top to open the eye. I am using the Fright Night Spooky Lashes in the style Wicked Witch. Then apply mascara to the top to blend them in. Next, fill in your eyebrows. I am using just black eyeshadow and a brush to create straight, innocent looking brows. Then apply mascara to your bottom lashes to really open your eyes up. Moving on to lips, apply a true red lipstick. I am using Besame Cosmetics in the shade Red Velvet. Now Lydia's lips are very round, so disguise your cupid's bow by connecting both peaks to get that oval appearance. Lastly, highlight your nose tip and your cheekbones for a very youthful glow. And here is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a spooky thumbs up and subscribe for more cosplay content like this. I hope you guys have a very haunted Halloween. I'll see you guys next time.